All right. So, in fact, talking about the rains here in Mumbai as well, incessant rains have continued in the city and lashed the city again like every year. Waterlogging is being reported from several parts. Met Department has issued a warning of heavy rains in the city and the suburbs today. Waterlogging has started in areas like Kurla, Hindmata, King Circle and BKC. The Mumbai Civic Body has requested the residents to stay away from the shoreline. Now that's an important advisory coming in. IMD has again warned of heavy rains. Disha is joining us live. Disha, first of all, the ground situation and then a little bit on the forecast, please.
Well, Afrida, here I am at the Science Gandhi Market area and as well as the King Circle. And as you can see here that, 1 hour of extremely heavy rainfall, and this is what it has done to the area here in concern. And this is particularly the low-lying area that we are showing you, Afrida, at this point in time. As you can see that apart from the waterlogging, what really affects and impacts on the ground level is the vehicular movement. As you can see, it comes to a standstill, it slows down a bit, and this is particularly the area that we are looking at is impacted always due to the heavy rains. So this is, of course, the BMC team is there at the spot, trying to man the entire situation. They have also put across the boards indicating that, of course, that is a sensitive area and not to really venture too close or walk past by that, looking at, of course, the open manholes that we are talking about. You can see over there that how people are trying to, even the senior citizen over there, they are trying to walk by. Knee-deep water is what we are looking at this point in time, and this is only an hour of rainfall. If we look at the other side of the road, if I can ask my video journalist Satish to show you, this is the Science Gandhi Market area, and as you can see, once again we are looking at this area being waterlogged. We are looking at a very slow vehicular traffic movement as well at this point in time. The BMC team is at the spot. They are also there, put up the boards indicating and alerting people not to really walk by those places. There's a traffic constable as well, if we can show you on the ground level. There's a traffic Mumbai police over there who are trying to control the entire traffic at any given point in time. So of course, Afrida, today in the city of Mumbai, an orange alert has been issued, which essentially means that likely in most of the places heavy rainfall is expected, and that we are witnessing in the last 1 hour here in the city of Mumbai. Not only from these two areas, but BMC says that they have received waterlogging complaints from other areas like BKC, Kurla, even Hindmata in Dadar, which is just 2 kilometers away from this particular location. So on the ground level, of course, certain advisories have been issued. People have been asked not to really venture very close to the seashore. They have been asked, to particularly avoid any movement if absolute, necessary. So these are certain ground level situations that we are showing you. Afrida, we also want to show you the water pumps that have been installed. Since last 2 years, considering this area is low-lying, BMC had installed those water pumps as well, so that, as and when the rainfall stops, the water starts receding quickly. But as we can see that there is still some amount of rainfall, so we are not looking at, this situation getting any better, at least sooner. But there are about 273 water pumps that have been installed here in the city of Mumbai as part of the monsoon preparedness. And BMC claims as on today morning that all of these pumps are operational.
Yes, and let's not forget, Disha, each year Mumbai faces certain peculiar hazards. For instance, the pothole menace, the tree fall hazards, and even drains overflowing and instances of people drowning have come to light, at least in the last year during monsoon. So any kind of preparations to make sure that such untoward incidents are avoided?
Well, Afrida, BMC says that whenever they issue such, warnings from the IMD, what they do is they, keep teams on the standby. For instance, here that we are looking at, apart from the traffic police, we are seeing, just one BMC over there, worker there who's just standing there to ensure that people do not really pass through that water because, fearing open manholes. So BMC says that such cases, they have their teams ready where they can send
Yes.
it directly on the ground level in case of, extremely heavy waterlogging. But in this scenario, as this is a low-lying area, even like half an hour of rainfall, Frida, this area is tend to actually, to get waterlogged. So there are a lot of,
Yes.
low-lying areas where BMC has ensured that these water pumps are being installed so that water is receded quickly.
Yes, we can see that danger signage being put in that area to earmark or warn people that one should not venture close to that point. So similar warnings, I believe, have been put out this time to avert the kind of accidents that we saw in previous years. Thanks for joining us, Disha, with your latest inputs on the Mumbai rains.